in my house, there are rules, but there are no conditions. Big difference. Conditions are emotional blackmail. Conditions are giving with string attached. Conditions are loving, but under terms and conditions. That's why it's called terms and conditions. In other words, your love is conditional. My son, I will love you. You will experience my love if you score an A. Got it? I will love you if you do this, if you do that, if you don't do this, if you do that. Conditional. You will be accepted when you are successful, when you perform. Those are conditions. We may not say it at home, we may not say it in church, we may not say it in society, but sometimes it's like that. You meet my standards, you meet my terms and conditions, then you will be loved and you will be accepted. But God says that His love is unconditional. God says that we are accepted even before we accomplish. We are approved even before we achieve. So it's the same way. In my house, there are rules. Like for Rena, she can only use her handphone 1 hour a day on a school day. There are rules. If she breaks the rules, there are consequences. No more handphone. But it doesn't mean that it is conditioned. There's no condition. If she breaks the rules all the time, there will always be consequences, but there are no conditions. When she breaks the rules, whether she failed her exam or she's naughty or she's disrespectful to us, whatever it is, let me tell you, the conditions, there are no conditions. My love for her doesn't change. Her value doesn't change. I don't love her more, I don't love her less. So there are rules, but there are no conditions. Are you getting this? So, in my house, there are rules, there are no conditions. Let me tell you, in this house of God, Heart of God Church, there are rules, but there are no conditions. So all the leaders here, I want to tell you, there are rules, but there are no conditions. So what are the rules? Like, for example, we have, for the youth, we have the rule of 3. The rule of 3 means you cannot go out together alone with the opposite sex. All right? It is tempting, dangerous. So wherever you go, 3 people. Got it? Rules of 3. We have, the dreaded one, study rule. In July, the rule, martial law starts. We have rules. What else do we have? For all the older ones, but not married couples, if you are unmarried couple, you don't sleep together until you get married. You don't stay overnight at each other's houses in the same room and lock the door. And you say, no, but Pastor, we just read the Bible together. No, I was not born yesterday. You don't go holiday together, just you and your boyfriend, 2 persons, no one else, and go to Bali in a holiday, and know that Pastor is a mission trip. There are rules. If we don't have rules, would you send your daughter to Heart of God Church? If there are no rule of 3s, if people are sleeping around in Heart of God Church, I wouldn't even put my daughter here. I will take her, send her to another church. Because rules protect. Rules maintain law and order. It's not a bad thing. It's a good thing. However, in this house, while there are rules, if you break the rules, our love, in theory, we are humans after all, we are not God, but in theory, it should be unconditional. So yes, if you break the rules, if you sin, if you do something, make foolish decisions, you know what? Our value of you do not drop. Our love for you is the same. Come back, ask for forgiveness from God. Don't go and sin no more. But we embrace you. You are not lower as a Christian. You're not lower as a human being. You're not a unholy, impure person. Are you getting this? So there are rules, but there are no conditions.